What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful frameless picture enlargement for decoration.
Alright, let's get on. So this is like the easiest to do. In all the videos I've uploaded, this is the easiest to do. So try and watch till the end so you will understand. Be needing a board and a picture. As you can see, I've already put the hook at the back of the board. I put two hooks so that it will not be dangling when you hang it. So when they want to hang it, they will need to put two nails on the wall. So the first step now is to touch my evocative glue on the edges of the board, as you are seeing on the video now. Make sure you touch it very well. This evocative glue, you make sure you buy the original one because they have two types, the ones that are watery and the ones that are thick. So make sure you buy the thick ones. And this size we are doing now is 12 by 16 inches. So that means the picture I'll be printing out will be 12 by 16 inches and the board will be 12 by 16 inches. And also the customer requested that I should make the edges to be 3D. The 3D I mean is that we will not be using edge tape. Edge tape is the tape that we put at the edges. If you have been watching all my videos, you will know, you understand what I mean. Then the next thing is to apply the glue on the front of the board. That is the place, the part I will be adding the picture, the place in the picture. Then this is the picture I will be using. I will add the glue at the back of the printed picture too. So when adding the glue on the back of the printed paper, make sure you add it very well, reach all the edges. Okay, so I'm using my phone to confirm the side that is up because this is an abstract picture. You can see the size that is up now because I've already put the hook. So had it been I've not put the hook that I'll use in hanging it on the wall, I can put it any side. Then when I'm done, I'll just add the hook to the upside. So when placing the picture, because we have already added gum on it, make sure you are very careful. Make sure you are very careful to avoid air spaces. And don't make any mistake. After adding it, you now use a piece of cloth to make sure you apply pressure so there will not be any air spaces. Apply pressure to the edges too so that the paper will glue to the edge. Since we are not using edge tape in this, the picture will come out from the front and touch the edges and cover the edges. So that's what I mean by 3D. If you find this video informative, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share to your friends. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I answer all of them. So I'm using the cutter to cut out the leftover, the extra paper after covering the edges. So those paper are not needed anymore. So I'll need to trim it out with my cutter. When trimming, please be careful so that you don't trim out the parts that you need to fold to make it professional. Okay, now that I'm done folding the edges and the corners, I'll now go in with my super glue. So make sure you buy the original super glue. I use the super glue to touch all the edges to make sure the paper sticks well to the board and doesn't go out over time. Right, so now we are done. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.